welcome back to my channel, and today guys I'm going to teach you guys how can you make your paused game script on Scratch. So here's some example here. So I can move, firstly I can move, but when I press the pause key, as you can see I can't move right now, and when I press the key that used to pause again, it moves again. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, so yeah, you'll know the script and you can add this to your game. So let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so first you need to make a variable. So I was just going to call this variable game status. So first make a variable game status. Make sure it's for all sprites because we need to use this for all sprite. So click OK, and then we're going to make another variable. So this tutorial we're going to, like this script, we're going to use a use of switch script. You can watch the video on the top right corner if you haven't watched about like the switch script. And also the video quality might be a little bit worse because on that time I don't know what to do with the with OBS. I have nothing to do with OBS. I just know that I can just sit here and then do my random stuff and then just record something like that. Okay, let's continue. And we're going to make another variable, which is switch. There we go. And then we're going to, you can hide two variables, but I'm just going to show it now. So switch here, I'm just going to place it here. Game status, I'm just going to place it there as well. So now let's just create the pause thing first. So when the flag's clicked, we're going to set the game status to playing. So let's set it to playing first. There we go, playing. And we're going to set switch to 0, just keep it 0. Also show the character as well. Okay, then we're going to make forever loop. If I'm just going to use the P key on my keyboard to pause the game. So if key P pressed, then we're going to say change switch by 1. So we don't want to people to just hold the P because that will happen right there. So we're going to use wait until, and we're going to say operators, not P press. So it's just going to wait until P, and I release the P. So there we go. Now as you can see I can spam, but I can't hold anymore. Okay, then we're going to make another event right here, and now we're going to we're going to make a switch script here. So if we're going to use equal, and we're going to use model. So if switch model by 2 equals 0, we're going to say we're going to say game status equals playing. And else here, if this one doesn't work, we're going to set this thing to pause. There we go. Now let's just set this thing to pause right here. And now we're just going to drag the script here to optimize it. Maybe I'm just going to clean it. There we go. And now we're going to make a arrow key to move to prove that this script actually works. So give me some time to make the arrow key script. Alright, done with the arrow key. We're going to make some movements here. Shouldn't be too long to do this kind of stuff. Okay. There we go, and as you can see, you can now move. That's like basic things you should do in Scratch here. Alright, so now you can move. So we're going to make it like pause. So we're going to use repeat until. We're going to say not. We're going to drag the game status. Game status isn't equal to playing. Wait, hold on. Playing. There we go. So now, if I test it right here. So first I was able to move, like the cat can move, but when I press the P or it used to pause the game. As you can see, the game status is now paused, the switch is 1, and it can't move until I press again, so it's now playing. There we go, like it is. There we go. So this is how you make a pause script in on Scratch. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notification. Come on, notification, and yeah, join my new Discord server. I just made it like 1 week ago. I mean, like 2 weeks ago actually. I mean, like the announcement thing is like already there. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time with another epic tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. But I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.